guys, and happy Monday, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. It's currently like 4 something. I got off work early today, so I went grocery shopping, as you guys saw, and I just restocked the fridge. We needed a ton of stuff this week because it was just like one of those weeks where you ran out of literally like everything, like your staples too. So it was kind of a bigger grocery haul shopping, but that's okay. You know, that happens about once every other month for us. So today, I just made some TikToks when I got home after the grocery store, relaxed a little bit, and now I'm getting ready to go to the gym for leg day. Boo's being very needy today also. But yeah, here's the fit. It's just red, little workout set. I really like it. I do wish it was like a little bit higher. Hey guys, I just got back from the gym. I was just saying I did a leg workout. Oh my goodness. Brady is playing in a paper bag. Love that. Anyways, so now I'm making dinner and I'm also meal prepping. What I do meal prep for Jack and myself because like I show my love through acts of service. I love doing stuff for people and Jack seems to appreciate it, and I just enjoy doing it too, like because I like to cook. So I'm making my Jack and I's lunches for the next 2 days. I only like to do like 2 days in advance because if it's like 3 days, I feel like that's the cutoff. That's when it starts getting gross and like dry tasting. So I'm like triple tasking right now. I'm making dinner, making meal prep lunches, and my lunches. You know what I mean. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So for me, I'm making salads in a jar. And for Jack, I'm just doing rice, chicken, veggie bowls, and on the other day, I'm doing a chicken sausage, rice, and veggie bowl, but like different veggies to make it interesting and fun. Show you guys what's going on. Alright, so here are Jack's lunches for the next 2 days. This is just rice with jalapeno chicken sausage, peppers, onions, and some Southwest seasoning. And then this is just chicken breast with this sauce on top, mushroom, onion, green onion, and rice. Alright, so I already started eating dinner because I'm hungry and it's already 8:40. Whoops, time's gotten away from me today. Also, there I am in the background in the mirror. But I'll show you what I made for dinner. It's actually really good. It's a bowl of quinoa. I don't know if you can see the quinoa. There's quinoa on the bottom, ground chicken, and a bunch of veggies. And then I put some butter lettuce on top. And then I made some sriracha mayo to go on top. Let me tell you guys, sriracha mayo goes good on anything. It's literally just as it sounds. Mayo and sriracha with a little bit of water to thin it out, and then you drizzle it on top. Delicious. I'm gonna eat this now, and then I'm gonna get ready for bed because I'm tired. Happy Tuesdays. I just took my vitamins and this is what I've been taking lately. I really like these because they're organic and made from Whole Foods, and it has a bunch of stuff in it. Alright, so if you don't know me, I have this weird phobia of cotton balls specifically. Like cotton swabs are fine, but like the stuff in vitamins, I don't know why. I've always hated cotton balls. And Jack won't take this out for me. He's making me do it. Can you please do it?
No.
Please, please, I don't want to do it. No. I'll throw it away.
You'll throw it away?
Yeah.
Well, watch.
No.
Watch.
Ew.
You're gonna get the rest out.
No.
Come on, give it a little growl.
It's making my teeth hurt.
What?
No.
Oh my gosh. Big wimp.
That stressed me out.
What?
Get away from me. No, please don't. Please don't. Hey guys, happy Wednesday. So I just got home from work. I got off early today, but I'm actually going back. That's something that happens randomly here and there, like once a month I'll go back. So the family I work for can have like a date night or go see family without the kids, and then I babysit and put them to bed and stuff. Hi Jack.
Hi.
You're blurry. Yeah, so I have like 6 hours until I have to go back. So I'm eating lunch at home, and I just made that bell pepper sandwich that I showed you guys. So good, very yummy, easy way to get some veggies in. Yeah, this morning, as you could tell, I woke up very late.
He's licking yourself.
Don't eat my sandwich. Who's eating my sandwich? Yeah, so this morning I woke up very late. Literally, I had to leave at 7:45, and I woke up at 7:40. Love that. I can tell such a huge difference in my mood, how my day goes, just like my thought process and negative self-talk is just like super high on days whenever I wake up late compared to last week when I woke up at 5 a.m. every day, which is what I'm trying to stick to. If you haven't seen that video, I made a whole video last week about my experience with that, but I'm trying to stick with that because it just makes me feel so much better in this period of life that I'm in right now, you know? I'm not feeling my best today, but it's, you know, I know why, so that makes me feel a little bit better. It's also gloomy, and I'm very affected by the weather. Anyways, not gonna, you know, sit here and have a little pity party. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat my lunch, relax a little bit, and then Jack's actually gonna come with me to babysit tonight. So, that's just a little Wednesday afternoon update for you guys. Hey guys, and happy Thursday. It's the first time I'm picking up my camera today because woke up super late. I got off late last night around like 10:30 or so, and it's like a 30-minute drive back to my house. So I woke up literally 5 minutes before I had to leave my house. Not a good habit that I've gotten myself into, as you can tell. So I went to work, I got off a little bit early, and then I was really tired still. So I came home and took a nap and made this brown sugar, you know, the brown sugar shaken espresso drink from Starbucks. Well, I found a recipe for it on TikTok, so I recreated it. Next time I need to get oat milk because I use almond milk instead of oat milk, and I think that would make it a lot better, but it was still pretty good. I'll leave the recipe down in the my little bio thing down there if you guys want to create it too, because it was quite good. So now I'm drinking pre-workout because I didn't go to the gym this morning, obviously, because I woke up late. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I'm still thinking about what I want to do. So now I'm going to go get dressed.
That's why they don't extend them. Hey, Gucci flip flop. What? 100K's on one Snapchat video.
Yeah.
So you can make a band.
Okay, I just got dressed. I'm going to show you my outfit of the day. Oh, I should probably not wear underwear with these. These are my Luna by Lucy butt scrunch leggings that I post about everywhere because I freaking love them. I have them in every color that they have. And then this is just a old Gymshark Flex sports bra. It matches because it's pink in the back. And that is my gym fit of the day. I'm gonna finish my pre-workout. Brady's biting my tripod stand right now. Let me show you him. He's so photogenic. He looks so good on camera. He's a good boy. Boo's sweet too, but she acts like a demon on camera every time I put her. Okay. I need to get your guys' opinion because me and my mom both think that Jack and Brady look alike. Like they look like the same. What do you guys think? Because I think they're twins. And I think they were meant to be owner-pet relationship. I think it was meant to be. This is the worst part about cutting spaghetti squash, or having spaghetti squash. Alright, so here is dinner. I just made a spaghetti squash. I probably won't eat all of that because it's kind of a lot. And then I got some grilled chicken and some shaved Brussels sprouts. Alright, so now I'm just going to eat this and I'm going to watch Riverdale. I didn't get to watch it last night as Jack and I were babysitting. It's my favorite show in the whole world. If you watch Riverdale, comment down below. Who do you like more? Jughead and Betty or Archie and Veronica? I personally am team Jughead and Betty. I love a good Bughead moment. Good morning guys and happy Friday. I don't know if I've actually mentioned this or not, but I have today off and all of next week off from work because it's spring break and the lady that I nanny for works in the school system, so whenever the school has breaks, I have breaks. So I'm really looking forward to having a little time off because I really need it. Today I'm gonna be here until about 2 or so, and then I'm going to my parents for the weekend for Easter. I love Easter. I'm so excited. Easter is one of my favorite. Like, I just love the feeling of Easter time. Normally Jack and I do like holidays and stuff together, like we'll alternate whose house we go to, but I actually was supposed to go on a trip with one of my friends this weekend, but it just ended up not working out. So he had already planned that and my mom was like, why don't you just come here? So now I'm gonna drink some water because I haven't had any yet. I literally just woke up. I had a little bit of a sleep in because I just needed it and I went to bed kind of late last night. So I'm just gonna drink some water, make some coffee, and then have breakfast. I love having mornings off, days off. Well, you're quite loud. Hey friends, it's currently, I don't even know what time it is, 12:42 to be exact. This morning I had a little breakfast. I just had some boiled eggs and then I wasn't that hungry. Had some coffee, just took my pre-workout, so that's why I'm kind of like, did some laundry because I've been not good on consistent with doing my laundry. every week. It's kind of bad. And now I'm about to go to the gym and get a workout in before I go to my parents. I don't know. I don't know when I'm gonna go to their house. So that's the update. I think today I'm gonna do leg. I'm not gonna take you guys into the gym today because I took you yesterday. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later Friday afternoon. I got dressed for some reason. I'm about to go to my parents. It's like 5:15 and I just realized, so I'm taking the cats with me because it's just, I don't know, I wanted to, and my mom loves our cats, so I have a predicament. I only have one cat carrier and I have 2 cats, so I guess I'm gonna have to put them both in there together and then go get another one on my way home to my parents. So we'll see how this goes. Wait. One cat. I'm sorry, Boo. You're gonna be so mad. Wait. Hey! Okay, so this isn't gonna work. Let me put Boo in first. Come here. Please don't kill each other. Hey! What do I do? Alright, update. That didn't work. So I'm at Target now and I'm gonna get Boo another carrier. She needs one anyways because this one's too small for her. And also get Starbies while I'm in there because I deserve it.